Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we are reviewing and unboxing Gookie dough. Now, this parcel was sent to me by Gookie dough, and they wanted me to try out their cookie dough flavors, and I was absolutely over the moon because I've been wanting to try out Gookie. So basically, I've been wanting to try Gookie dough for as long as I can remember, because I actually saw the company on Instagram, and I kid you not, I was so close to purchasing the actual cookie dough. I really was. I was just so intrigued by the company and what they had to offer, and I waited for some reason. I thought, I kind of forgot about it, because you know when you want to order something, then you have a distraction, you forget, and then a few months down the line, they have contacted me to do a collab. And I'm going to review these Gookie dough gourmet edible cookie dough. Now, you know I'm on a healthy eating plan, guys, and I've lost weight and I feel amazing. I just feel like a different person. So this is, for me, is the perfect thing, because if you don't want to eat a bar of chocolate, or you just want kind of a couple a couple bites of just cookie dough just to see through. You know, the ingredients are all really like natural, and there's nothing kind of processed and awful. So this is the perfect thing for me, because I can just have a spoon of this and not deprive myself, because that's the worst thing you can do. So I'm really excited to open these. Before I get into the video, this is I haven't actually sat down with you guys for a long time. How's everyone been? Everything's opened up now in England, so I've gone to get my lips done, my Botox done, and my nails. I'm going to show you my nails, because I haven't had my nails done in, I think it's been about 6 months. So these are my nails, guys. Now, if you're an OG subscriber, you know that these are my OG nails. These are just classic, the classy. Oh, my necklace isn't showing. Yeah, I just love these kind of nails. They're just amazing. So they just look so good, so classy. I got my Botox and lips done 2 days ago, so my lips are looking amazing. My Botox is kicked in. I'm just so happy. And for all the haters that don't like it, I really couldn't care less, because it's me at the end of the day, and you get what you see here. So guys, I'm going to get into the unboxing. I'm really excited. I haven't eaten today because I wanted to try these. And do I need some scissors? No, I think I'll be okay. First of all, before I unbox this, I want to just, obviously I do this every time, and I think it's really important that you guys know about the company. And let's pull it up. The company is so fun. I was reading it this morning when I got the parcel. It started out with a couple of, I think it was a guy and a girl, and they were kind of starting out they wanted to try out something new, and from a small idea to having their own kind of company. I think it's admirable. I think it's amazing. I think it's just the best, and it's just such a success story. So the website is amazing, guys. Love it. So the food is handmade in the UK. And I'm going to just look into, the website is so inviting. I can't actually believe I was about to buy some stuff. I was going to buy this. It just looks so amazing. So I'm going to do just the about us, because you just want to know about them, because I do. Our story. So basically, Gookie is a delicious edible treat made by cookie dough lovers for cookie dough lovers. We are Anja and Ollie, a couple of cookie dough fanatics from Nottingham, and have created a product born from an obsession of Willy Wonka and childhood memories of baking. That's just amazing. I love that. So they started in 2015 was the conception, right through to the reality, the full-time job, and the next step. They're actually venturing out into a new brand name, and the new brand name is going to be called Snacksidents. So it's going to be, they just want to, I think it's amazing with businesses who just want to grow, and it's a growing opportunity, and there's nothing wrong with that. And I just think if more doors are going to open by rebranding and, amazing. I think it's a smart move. So they will be called Snacksidents soon until they just think they're waiting to phase out this name first. But I'm sure you've heard of this. If you've got Instagram, it's all over Instagram. It's just amazing. So why cookie dough? Our edible gourmet cookie dough took 12 months from conception to product launch. We tested almost every single ingredient thinkable. Ollie drove Anja mad in order to provide the ultimate cookie dough with a focus not only on taste but also smell and texture. Gookie dough is handmade lovingly by ourselves using the finest gourmet ingredients sourced from across the planet. Using an exclusive blend of sustainable ingredients that have been handpicked, we have been able to create unique and exciting flavours. We also pride ourselves on using 100% recyclable packaging, so that's amazing. We launched with a handful of flavours, but there are plenty more to come. You can submit any flavour requests here. If you'd like more information on Gookie dough, please get in touch. So it's just a fun, amazing, idea. And they're actually called Gookie dough by Snacksidents. So I'm going to shut up now and get on with the video because I'm hungry. Let's open up the parcel. Okay. Oh my God. So here it is. The bag. Oh my God, this is so fun. So guys, before I get on with the trying of the cookie dough, I have got a discount code special from me to you. And it is FABS10. I'll put it on the screen. You get 10% off your order. So what more could you want? Oh my God, this feels so heavy. Right, so they gave me some flavours to try. This is so cute. I love this. Oh, wow. So they keep it in a chilled packaging kind of, it's a cool pack. This feels so cold. How amazing is that? So we have gourmet edible cookie dough, triple chocolate fudge. Wow. We have my favourite red velvet. I love anything red velvet. Red velvet gourmet edible cookie dough. Wow. We have a gourmet edible cookie dough funfetti cake batter. Guys, this is amazing. Wow. And they're all, oh my God, so one more. They gave me, oh my God. They gave me 4. That is amazing. So they gave me gourmet edible cookie dough, gooey chocolate chip. So guys, I'm going to get into the trying. I'm going to get a spoon first and I'll be back. So the first flavour we're going to try is going to be the chocolate one, I think, guys. I mean, how fun is this? Like, even the... So basically, this is dark chocolate cookie dough with milk flavour, with milk, chocolate, fudge, and white chocolate chips. Oh my God, I'm so, like, intrigued. Oh my God, it smells amazing, guys. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Look. Oh my God, right, let's try. Oh my God. Guys. Right, so it tastes like, when you've been baking with your grandparents or like your mum and you just lick you put your finger in the batter. It's exactly what it tastes like. Do you know why? Because I can taste this sugar. The sugar when it crunches. Oh my God. This is amazing. Made with love by Gookie dough. Guys, this tastes rich. It tastes chocolatey. And do you know what? A tiny bit, for me anyway, I mean, I can't eat this like it's going out of fashion because I'm on a healthy eating plan. I don't know if you can tell, but I've lost so much weight now and I feel so good. This, for me, is perfect. If any of you guys are on a diet or you just want to fucking pig out and just eat it all, you can. But this is perfect for me because I can just have a little bit and just keep this in the fridge. Wow. That tastes, you know, it just tastes like actual cookie dough. And you know, like, it's bad for you. It's bad to eat cookie dough, isn't it? You know, like the batter from like, because the eggs, obviously, this is made with no eggs. But guys, all of these products are made with no eggs. Obviously, because otherwise you get ill. But you know when your mum makes it and you have a sneaky kind of like finger in. Sorry. You know when you kind of like get like a sneaky little like taste of it. Obviously there's no harm in this because it's just like, it's the same, it's the same experience and it tastes amazing. That is gorgeous. Well, in fact, it's dark chocolate. That's my favourite. So this one, gooey chocolate chip. Oh my God, this smells amazing, guys. Look, this smells unbelievable. Right, okay, let's have a try. I can see the part. Do you know they've done it? You know when you have, oh God, I can't speak as usual. You know when you do like a cookie batter, like when you're baking, the sugar is so visible. Like I can see the sugar. Right, okay, shut up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Chris is going to love these. This tastes unbelievable. Look at the chocolate chips. Oh my God, guys. Amazing. The ingredients are just so good. So this is vanilla cookie dough with dark chocolate chips. That's amazing. Let's have this. I'm excited for the funfetti batter mix. Oh my God, this smells amazing. This is, to me, it reminds me of like an American flavour. Oh my God. Oh my God, you can bake them. This has got to be one of my favourites. You can actually bake them. Like, you can make them into cookies. Just a bit more. That tastes like dark sugar. That is vanilla cookie dough with white chocolate and sugar strands. Wow. I'm going to try baking these. The last one, which I'm most excited for, is the red velvet. Heaven. Okay, let's try this one. You get a very generous amount as well. Okay, so let's try this one. Oh my God, it's my favourite. Oh wow, it's got white bits in it. One more. Sorry guys, but this is amazing. That is my favourite. Red cocoa cookie dough with white chocolate fudge. Guys, please go get yourself some Gookie dough. So fun. I'm just going to do a thumbnail. Guys, get yourself some Cookie dough. I can't say the words. Gookie dough. It is so fun, guys. It is such a fun treat as a gift for yourself. Now, I think they do bigger pots. I'm not sure. Let me just double check. I don't want to give you all the right information. They do monster tubs. So they do monster tubs, which are big tubs. They do a vegan range. They do sauces. They do mini tubs. They do multi-packs. And they also do gifts. You can actually gift it up in like a gift box or buy like a hamper. Guys, this is unbelievable. They were kind enough to send me all the flavours. Don't forget, guys, Fabs10 to get 10% off your order. What more could you want, guys? I'm sorry. I feel satisfied now. Like, it's taken my hunger pang away. You know, it's, like I said, for me, I'll be using this when I want a sweet treat, when I'm dieting, you know, when I'm carrying on doing my dieting. Thank you so much for sending me these amazing gourmet edible cookie dough pots. I will be enjoying these. Chris is going to love them. He loves anything like this. And it's been a pleasure to work with you guys. It really has. Thank you for, you know, reaching out to me. The shipping was so fast. It was actually next day. They gave me a next day delivery, which is just amazing. I think this is such a fun collab. Something that I really, really enjoy. Yeah, I'm genuinely really, really happy about this. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you are all okay. Hope you like my nails. My Botox is just unbelievable. Look at my eyes. They've just opened up again. I mean, Botox for me is the best thing to do for my eyes because it gives me such a... I mean, look. I can't even speak. I honestly just feel amazing. It opens up my eyes completely. Like when I don't have the Botox, I'm like this. I hope you like. So yeah, have an amazing rest of the day, guys. And I love you all. And yeah, don't forget Fabs10 to get some money off. And let me know if you are going to buy this. Please do. It's amazing. Right, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Guys, I've just realised that halfway through the video, I got some food on my chin. Not food, some lipstick on my chin. So I'm so annoyed. I'm a perfectionist, so that's really annoyed me. I can't go back and unedit that. But please, you know, enjoy the video regardless. And I hope you get yourself some cookie dough, some Gookie dough. And yeah, have a good day. Bye, guys. And I'm an idiot.